For the first time, Russia launches unstoppable hypersonic missiles at Ukraine to destroy a weapons base. A video filmed from a homestead shows the moment a large Ukrainian ammunition depot was hit by a deadly hypersonic missile flying across the sky. A Ukrainian military official has confirmed that Russian forces carried out a missile strike on the warehouse on Friday. According to Russian reports, the Kinzhal missile was used to hit a significant weapons storage in western Ukraine's Ivano-Frankivsk region. This is the first time advanced technology has been deployed since Vladimir Putin dispatched soldiers to Ukraine, according to Russia's Interfax news agency. According to Igor Konashenkov of Russia's defense ministry, the invisible weapons damaged an underground munitions storage facility for Ukrainian soldiers in western Ivano-Frankivsk. The claimed attack, according to Mr. Konashenkov, took place on Friday and was carried out using a Kinzhal or Dagger missile with a range of 1,250 miles. Some of our viewers might want to know the advantages of hypersonic missile use in a war. They are many. Here are some of them. Firstly, 1. Speed. No time for the enemy to react, either leave or activate, track with air defenses. 2. Undetectable by radar. At Mach 10, the temperatures developed, friction of air with the surface of the missile, almost 12,000 Celsius, causing the air enveloping the missile to become plasma. Plasma is basically ionized gas that absorbs all electromagnetic radiation, thus rendering the object invisible to radar. 3. The kinetic energy at hypersonic speeds is huge. It is estimated that the kinetic energy of a Kinzhal is more than 4,000 kilograms of TNT, making it ideal to hit well-fortified ammunition stores and command centers deep in the ground. Compare this with its conventional warhead, which has a weight of 500 kilograms. In other words, it's much higher penetration than conventional missiles. 4. The Kinzhal is air-launched, and the range stated is apparently the combined range of the missile and the carrier aircraft. Thus it is 2,000 kilometers when carried by the MiG-31K and 3,000 kilometers when carried by the Tu-22 M3. 5. It is claimed to be able to maneuver during its flight to avoid air defenses. Putin has claimed that his country is the world's top producer of hypersonic missiles, which are difficult to intercept or track due to their speed, maneuverability, and altitude, or invincible. Hypersonic weapons, which can travel at speeds greater than 5 times the speed of sound and represent a threat to current anti-missile defenses, are considered the next generation of armaments. The Russian government debuted various weapons in 2018, including the Kinzhal missile. Thank you for watching. That's all I've got for today. Please subscribe, like, and share the video.